Good morning, student. Myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for my lecture. Now, student, we already started our chapter number 3. Explanation over and question answer also we finished. And now we will start next question. That is the question number 2. Student, this is extra question for you. Okay, not given in your textbook and not given in the any other place. Okay, clear? Now see here what I wrote here. Question number 2, match the following. Okay, now in the column A I wrote here name of the sense organs. Okay, now A is eyes, B nose, C ears, now D tongue, and E skin. Is it clear? This side I wrote name of the sense organ and see here column B. Number 1 taste bud, eardrum, 3 number melanin, now 4th number retina, now 5th number nostril. Okay, these are the parts of these सेंस ऑर्गन्स, बट दिस इज गिवन रैंडमली, मीन्स आगे पीछे दिया हुआ है, यू हैव टू मैच इट. ओके, नाउ हाउ यू राइट द आंसर ऑफ दिस मैच द कॉलम. इफ यू वांट टू मैच इट थ्रू द लाइन, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द लाइन. और इफ यू वांट टू राइट द आंसर, तो हाउ यू राइट द आंसर. नाउ वी राइट हियर आंसर. ओके, हाउ यू राइट आंसर, मैच द. Okay, now what given in the column A. First we write A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now this side first we read the word and after that read this side B, which part match to this sense organ. Okay, now what is given in the A number, eyes. Read this side, taste buds, is it related to your eyes? No. Next, eardrums, clearly given here, ear, that is related to ears na, but we match eyes. Next, melanin. What is the meaning of melanin? Melanin is a pigment, it found in our skin. Okay, now ears, B. Number 4, retina. What is the meaning of retina? Retina related to your eyes na. I already explained you picture of your eyes. Okay, retina is a part of your eyes, so we match A with which number, 4 number through the line. If you want to match like this. Okay, we write answer here A with which number, 4 number. A with, how you write your answer, A with 4 number. Okay, this is completed. Now read the number B, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Okay, what is the function of your nose? Nose help us to smell and breathe. Okay, now nose, read this side, taste buds, no, taste bud. After that, eardrums, is it related to your nose? No. Melanin, melanin is a pigment. Okay, retina we already match it, so leave this word. Now nostril, nostril is this part of your nose. Okay, clear? So we match nose with which number, 5 number. Okay, through the line if you want to match it like this and write your answer here. Okay, both methods are correct. B with which number, 5 number. Okay, now next, what is given in the next number, ears. Okay, read this side word, what is the correct match of ears. Taste bud, no, taste bud related to other parts, other sense organ. Now eardrum, clearly given here. See, eardrums. Eardrums are the parts of your ear na. Through that we send our ear send the message to middle ear. Okay, through these eardrums. I already explained you. Match with number 2. C match with number 2. How we write the answer? With number 2. Is it correct? Understand? Oh. Now tongue. Tongue. How we make read this side word? Taste bud. Now this is the correct option. Okay. Match D with 1 number. Why we match here D with 1? Taste bud. Taste bud found in the upper side of our tongue. Okay. Clear? Now. And it also help us to identify the taste to human beings. Okay, हम स्वाद का पता लगाते हैं ना. Okay, तो D with which part? Number 1. Okay. Now write skin. Skin. Now the one and only option here remaining. Which option is skin? Match with number 3. That is the melanin. Melanin is a pigment. It found in our skin. Okay. So E with which number? Number 3. Now students, once again I read for you this thing. This is the question number 2. This is the extra question for you. Okay. Not given in your textbook. Now what is given in the? We made 2 columns. One side I wrote here name of the sense organ, and this is the parts of your sense organ. Okay. Clear? Now eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are the sense organ, and this side I wrote here the parts of the sense organ. Okay. Now taste bud, eardrum, melanin, retina, nostril. Now if we start matching, to first we read this side words. Eyes. Now read column B. Which part related to your eyes? Taste bud? No. Eardrums? No. Melanin? No. Retina. Retina is the internal part of our eyes. Why we say internal part of our eyes? Because we found here images. Okay. ये हमारी आँख के अंदर होता है and work like a curtain. एक पर्दे की तरह होता है. We found their images. Okay. Clear? Now next part is nose. Nose. Read this side options. Taste buds, eardrums, melanin, retina and nostril. Nostril, this part of your sense organ. Nose, upper side. Okay, this is the nostril. Now ears. So how we write the answer? B with 4. Now ears. Ears related to which part? Eardrums related to our ears, because this is the internal part. Through that our ears get the message. Okay, and eardrum send the message to middle ear. Okay. Now so how we write the answer? C with number 2. Now D, tongue. Tongue, taste bud related to tongue. So 1 with D with 1. Okay. Student, so many students confused related to answer ki how we write the answer. Some are writing this thing this side and this thing this side. If you want to write answer like this way, means A with B with C with, तो first you write column A side, A B C D E. आप इस साइड के लिख लो सिर्फ नंबर A B C D. After that you add with, यहाँ पे आप with लिखो एंड आप उसके बाद इस साइड के नंबर लिखिए आप. ओके. या बहुत सारे बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं इसमें कि कैसे लिखें. दिस इज द करेक्ट मेथड. ओके. नाउ ई नंबर स्किन. स्किन इज रिलेटेड, मेलानिन इज रिलेटेड टू आवर स्किन. ओके. दीज आर द पिगमेंट. E with number 3. Okay. Now student, I made the column finished here. Understood how we match the A, column A with column B? Understood? Now, student, this is the extra question not given in your textbook. Okay? After that we write next question. That is the question number 2. The question number 2 is, question number 3 is fill in the blanks. That is the fill ups. Okay? Fill in the blanks. Okay? Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The number 1 is people who cannot see. People who cannot see are called which types of people? We wrote here option. People who cannot see are called. People who cannot see are called. Means those are not see properly, and those are cannot see anything. Okay? Means so what we say them? What is the name of that people? In the simple language, what we say? Blind people. हम क्या कहते हैं कि अंधे लोग हैं. But we give them name. Okay? So the name of that people is visually challenged. VISUALLY. Visually challenged. CHALLENGET. Visually challenged. Okay? People. Okay, this is number 1. What is I wrote in the number 1? People who cannot see are called which types of people? Visually challenged. Okay, visually challenged means they cannot see. Now, number 2. Leave here one line and after that write number 2. Okay, between the each sentence you have to leave one line. Clear? Now, second number, the color of the skin, student don't write anything, only understand what I am writing on the board and you understand the sentence. Okay, all the things I send you in our WhatsApp group. Okay, now the color of the skin, depends on a pigment. Called. What is the name of that pigment? First read sentence carefully and write the name. The color of the skin depends on a pigment. What is the name of that pigment? That found in our skin. That is melanin. Okay? This is the answer. This pigment give the color of our skin. Okay? Clear? Now leave here one line, means एक line छोड़कर लिखना है. Number 3. First you see number 2. Once again I repeat for you. People who cannot see are called. Which types of people? Visually challenged people. Okay. Now the number 2. The color of the skin depends on a pigment called. What is the name of that pigment? That is melanin. Okay. Now write number 3. Write number 3. Number 3 is the surface of the tongue. The surface of the tongue is covered with the surface of the tongue is covered with which thing? What is present on the tongue? Taste buds. Okay, clear? The surface of the tongue is covered with taste buds. This is the option. Okay. Now write number 4. Number 4 is the sense organ are connected to the brain with which thing connect the brain to the sense organ? Which thing? The name of that thing is nerves. That is nerves. Okay. The nerves. What is the nerves? These are the thread-like structure. Nerves क्या है? एक धागे जैसी रचना है जो किसको जोड़ती है? ब्रेन से सेंस ऑर्गन्स. ओके. What is given on the 4th number? The sense organs are connected to the brain with किस चीज से? Nerves. Through the nerves. NERVES. Okay. Look here number 3 and 4. Once again I read for you. The surface of the tongue is covered with which thing? Taste buds. These are the small spots. What is the color of that taste bud? That is red in the color. Okay, if you see your tongue in the mirror, you found the taste bud on your surface of your tongue. And what is the color of that taste bud is? That is the red in the color. Okay. Now, the name. Next, the sense organs are connected to the brain with which thing? कौन सी चीज से ब्रेन जुड़ा होता है हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन से? नर्व्स के द्वारा. ओके. हिंदी में अगर हम बोले तो नसों से जुड़ा होता है. ओके. क्लियर? नाउ Now write number 5. Number 5 is the colored circle in the eye is, which part is the colorful in your eyes? Which part? Iris, pupil, cornea or retina? Now write the name. The colored. How you start your sentence? With the capital letter. Okay. The colored circle in the eye is, which part is this? Colorful part of the eyes is, that is iris. I-R-I-S. Okay, that is iris. That is iris. Full stop here. Okay. Now the number 6. What is the number 6? The number 6 is black spot. The black spot in the eyes in the center of the iris is, what is the name of that part? The black spot in the center of the eyes. Iris is, हमारी आंखों के बीच में एक ब्लैक स्पॉट होता है, सभी की आंख में होता है. ओके. What is the name of that part? That is the pupil. P-U-P-I-L. Pupil. Okay. The name of that part is pupil. Pupil is a black color. Is in the black color. What is the color of pupil? Black. Okay. Clear? Now, the next number 7. The 7 number is protect our internal organ. Internal organs. Which part of your, which sense organ protect our internal organs? That is the skin. Skin, our whole body covered with skin. Those organs present inside our body. Internal means those organs present inside of our body. We cannot see them. Okay? But they are functioning continuously for us. Like heart, lungs, intestine, liver, kidneys. Okay? These are the internal organs. And it functions regularly, continuously in our body. Okay? These are the internal organs. And external means those are out of our body. We can see them. Okay? Clear? Now, once again I read for you number 5. The colored circle in the eye is, means color. जो कलर देता है हमारी आंखों को. डेट पार्ट इज कलरफुल पार्ट, आइरिस. नाउ द ब्लैक स्पॉट इन द सेंटर ऑफ द आइरिस. आइरिस कलरफुल पार्ट के बीच में एक ब्लैक स्पॉट होता है. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ डेट पार्ट? दैट इज द प्यूपिल. ओके. नाउ स्किन प्रोटेक्ट्स आवर इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. इज इट करेक्ट? Why skin protect our internal organs? Because our skin work for our body as a cloth. ओके. अगर इंटरनल ऑर्गन बाहर दिखेंगे तो क्या होगा? वो डैमेज हो जाएंगे ना. हमारी बॉडी को स्किन ने कवर किया हुआ है और वो प्रोटेक्ट करती है इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ स्टूडेंट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. फिनिश्ड हियर. Look here once again. I send you all the things in our on our WhatsApp group. Okay, clear? Now student, we finished here. Match the column and fill in the blanks. The fill in the blanks and match the column is the extra question for you. Okay, now I give you homework. Okay, draw the structure of your eyes and label their parts. So student, if you label the parts of your eye, your diagram means that is the diagram of your eye. You have to learn the spelling of all the parts of your eyes. Okay, means how you spell retina, how you spell cornea, how you spell pupil, how you spell iris, eyelashes, eyelids. Okay, these are the parts of your eyes. So make your diagram neat and clean and label all the parts carefully. Okay, now the true and false also given in your textbook. Okay, now but we write here answer in one word. That is the question number 4. Answer in one word. Okay, that is the answer in one word. And in the answer in one word means you have to write the answer, use only one word, don't write whole sentence. Okay, only one word. If you know the name of that thing, you automatically write the name. Okay, now write number 1. Visually challenged people cannot, what we write here? Visually challenged people cannot see. Which word you have to write here? See. Okay, this is the answer. Clear? This is the answer. Cannot see. Now the number 2. The number 2 is breathe through breathe through which part? Through the which part? What we write here? Breathe through your nose. Okay, this is the answer. Now the number 3. The number 3 is to take in air. That process is called to take in air. That process is called, what we say that process? Inhale or exhale. Okay, these two terms we use for the breathing. सांस अंदर लेना और बाहर निकालना. ओके, अगर आप सांस अंदर ले रहे हो तो उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहेंगे? दैट इज इनहेल. ओके, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड इनहेल. मीन्स आपने सांस अंदर ली. एक्सहेल अगर आपने सांस बाहर निकाली, ब्रीथिंग आउटसाइड. ओके, और यू आर टेक आउट एयर from your body, that is called exhale. Okay, clear? Inhale, that process is called inhale. Now the next, number 4. It connects the eye to the brain. Means this thing or these nerves, name of the nerves, we have to write here name of the nerves. It connects the eye to the brain. Which nerve connect the eyes to the brain? The name of that nerve is optic nerve. What we write here? Optic nerve. Optic nerves connect the brain to the eyes, or the eyes to the brain. Name of that nerves is optic nerves connect the eyes to the brain. Is it clear? Now these are the answer in one word. Once again I read for you. Visually challenged people cannot see. What we write here? See. Breathe through. किससे सांस लेनी चाहिए? Nose. Not your. Don't use your mouth. To take in air, that process is called, means सांस अंदर लेना, उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहेंगे? Inhale. Okay. Fourth number, it connects the eye to the brain. ये हमारी आंखों को ब्रेन से या मस्तिष्क से जोड़ती है. Which nerves? Optic nerve. OPTIC NERVES. Optic nerves. Now students, your answer in one word finished here. And remember one thing, I think our whole chapter finished here. Okay, we wrote question answer. After that, match the column. After the match the column, we wrote which thing, fill in the blanks, and this is the fourth question, answer in one word. And I give you homework. Means you have to draw the picture of your eyes, label its parts, and learn the parts of eyes. Okay, all the spellings. Clear? Now We also completed book exercise, page number 18 and 19. Okay. Now students, your chapter number 3 finished here. We completed all the things. Clear? If you have any confusion or if you want to ask any question related to this chapter, so phone up to me. Okay? Your number with you, my number with you, and if you don't not make a call to me, so you send the message, type your question in the WhatsApp group and send to me. Okay? I give you answer or make a call. I make a call to you. Okay? Clear? You write the question. Clear? Now, after that, student, I finish my lecture here. Now our chapter number 3 finished. Now the next lecture we will start. Okay? But before that, I give you some suggestions. Means you take care of yourself and your family members. Don't go out from the house. If you have any urgent work, so you can go now, but don't go out of your house. Okay? And if you want to go out of your house, use mask, use sanitizer, wash your hand properly if you are going for the playing. After that, if you come back to your home, wash your hands, legs, means take care of your body. Okay? And also cooperate your parents if they give you any suggestion, so follow that. Okay? Be safe, be careful. Bye. I finished my lecture here. Have a nice day.